Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy once again, this Transform. So in this video I'm going to optimize our GTA 5 to sleep like never before. So as you all know, we are going to use this app called Winlator. If you have not know how to install Winlator, you can go to my playlist and you'll find a way to install it. So if you have been installing it and you have been playing your GTA 5, so you all know sometimes it does not give us exactly 30 frames per second. So in this video, what are we going to do? We are going to do some little tricks and it's going to run very well. So the first step, you are going to click on that three dots, you go to your settings. From your settings, you leave all this to default. So 0.30, 0. Your box 64, you leave it to 0.26. So the preset, you leave it to compatibility. Preset 64, you leave it to compatibility. So from here, you leave your turnip to 24.0 A7XX. So you hit you enter your done button. So here you click on your three dot button again. So from there you go to your edit. So from your edit, this is where the major problem lies. This is where if you want your GTA 5 to run very well, this is what you are going to do. So first of all, you are going to leave this DX wrapper to 10.10 1.10.3. so the next one, you show your FPS if you like. So for the sake of this video, we are going to show FPS. So your processor affinity is the most important one. This is how you will see it when you start it, but from here it will only make your device to get worse. Your device will be eating up if you are running all the 8 cores. So what you are going to do is to put on our 0. We uncheck all this, we uncheck the 2, we uncheck the 3. So you leave CPU 4, CPU 5, CPU 6, CPU 7, you leave it checked. So first, another thing you are going to do is for you to go to your drives, your advanced. So your advanced, you leave your settings like this. Guys, let's start it and see what we are going to get and see the kind of FPS we are going to get. So let's check it, guys. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and follow me up on my Telegram for any information or any news regarding emulators, Winlators, Mobox, Thermos box, box 64 droid. So all this emulator is what I cover on my channel. So if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe, and kindly please always hit the like button so that YouTube can recommend my video to larger audience. So we want this community to grow more. We want it to grow more and more, guys. So thank you. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I said let us see our gameplay if it has improved. So let's see. And
it drives with the other. But my motherfucking concern is I might miss the jump and fall in fucking trap. You said you wanted to learn from the best. Let's call this lesson number 1. Oh, fuck this! Shit. This is gonna kill me. Get rid of his ass! Shit! Get your ass out of here. Throw him overboard! Now get up, you thieving prick! Oh, easy with those bricks! Don't you hurt my boy! Stay behind there, Frank! What the fuck? Okay, now go find Jimmy.
Dad? Wait! You're the guy from the dealership!
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro. Jimmy!
No!
Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on!
Help!
Whoa! Crap! Get under him, man! That's worthy. Ah, shit! Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Ah, too close. Ah, rat. Fuck, kid. Hey, get me off the damn thing. I ain't jumping from here, man. Get close. That everyone? All right, time to get the boat back.
Would you just let it go? Now that doesn't sound good.
Damn, that's the engine, man. We ain't chasing shit in this thing. Don't break down, not yet. Ah, my fucking boat!
Hey, it's just a thing. At least you still got a son.
Hey, it's a chop shop back there, dog. You drivers there, we can get the ride fixed. My boat.
It's just a thing.
My boat.
Please stop doing that. Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie. That was a really bad judgment call. But shit, Dad, I nearly died. And all you give a shit about is this fucking boat.
No, it's not that. It's...
All we do is scream at each other. No wonder I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or it's not, but it's partly your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
By selling my boat to some gangbangers?
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you do is daydream or get angry.
Look, I love you, Jimmy, but you're an asshole. And right now, with my boat disappearing over the horizon, that's all I can see. Franklin, would you do me a favor and give this kid a ride home after they fix this thing? I want to headbutt the road in peace.
Oh, great! Leave me with the home invader.
I'll get it done, dog. No problem.
Dad!
Enough! All right? Enough! Franklin, do me a favor. Call me a taxi, will you? No problem. Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can send one. Los Santos Customs, by the airport. All right, thanks. Thanks, man. Hey, man, we might be able to find the boat, you know? We ain't gonna find it. It's gone. Man, I can ask around. Don't worry about it. It's gone. I'll call the insurance company. You cover for fire and theft, right? I'm guessing they don't get too many piracy claims on the Great Ocean Freeway, you know? Fuck. I hate paperwork. Hey, so you, do much yachting? Not anymore. No, I don't. Before, I mean, man. Now...